I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. National news is brought to you by Rishikesh. International news. At least 20 people have died in northern Afghanistan following some monsoon flash floods. National news. National Security Advisor Ajit Dawal has been selected to the Tilak National Award. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
I am B. Tarun. I am here to tell states and sports news. States news. The Meteorological Department IMD issued a thunderstorms warning across 17 districts in Telangana, including Adilabad, Nizamabad and Mehboob Nagar, predicting heavy lightning and gust winds. Sports news. PV Sindhu scrapped history in Tokyo by capturing her maiden Japan Open Super 750 crown. She broke a multi-year dry spell by overcoming 3 times world champion Atni Yamaguchi in street games. Thank you.
Just as stars shine in darkness, but your potential shines through challenges. I repeat it again. Just stars shine in darkness, but your potential shines through challenges. This thought reminds us to stay curious, keep learning, and never be afraid of exploring new ideas. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by B. Shivkumar. Constellation, a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern in the sky. Friends, please spell after me. Constellation. C-O-N. S-T-E. L-L-A. T-I-O-N. A group of stars forming a recognizable pattern in the sky. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Today's word is brought to you by Sivan Teja. Snacks. Its meaning: snacks are small amount of food eaten between the regular meals such as breakfast, lunch and dinner to satisfy hunger. Examples: chips, samosa, etc. Friends, please spell after me. Snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S. Snacks. Meaning: these snacks are small amount of food eaten between the regular meals such as breakfast, lunch and dinner to satisfy hunger. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Today's amazing facts are brought to you by Anirudh. Fact number 1. Space is completely silent. Fact number 2. There are more stars than sand on Earth. Fact number 3. Venus spins backward. Fact number 4. Astronauts grow taller in space. Fact number 5. Footprints on moon last forever. Thank you.
Today, weather report is brought to you by B. Mahesh. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, wind speed 25 to 26 km per hour, precipitation 40%. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
My name is B. Sanip Kumar. Now I am going to tell abbreviations. CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. IAS, Indian Administrative Service. IPS, Indian Police Service. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgeon. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. IFS, Indian French Service. Thank you. Today's speech is brought to you by Tanmay. Space is the vast and mysterious region beyond Earth's atmosphere. It is home to billions of stars, planets, galaxies and other amazing celestial objects. Scientists study space to understand how the universe began and whether life exists on the other planets. Space exploration has led to many important discoveries and advantages. Astronauts and space missions inspire us to dream big, ask questions and explore the
Unknown. Thank you. The questions are brought to you by Sai Likita. GK question. Question for grade 7. Why do planets orbit the instead of sun and deep on the place? I repeat it again. Why do planets orbit the sun instead of this space and flying? Gravity. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is gravity. Let us all appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Who is the first person to walk on the moon? The first person to walk on the moon. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Neil Armstrong. Let us all appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Between two planets, which is the main asteroid belt located?
Asteroid belt. Repeat the question.
Which is the main between the main asteroid belt located? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Mars and Jupiter. Let us all appreciate them. Question for grade 10. How long does it take from to light to reach the sun to the earth?
Seconds also. IIT you are doing.
Pick any answer. The answer is 8 minutes 20 seconds. Open question for all. Question number 1. Which is the planet in our solar system known as a red planet? Mars. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Mars. Let us all appreciate them. Question number 2. What causes a star eventually for a die and energy?
Stand properly. Don't shake your bodies.
Eventually call a for a energy and die. Sorry, you didn't pick any answer. The answer is fuel. Question number 3. Who was a young woman for trying to be a Mars? I repeat again. Who was the first young woman was trying to be on the Mars? Sorry, you didn't pick any answer. The answer is Eliza Carson. Thank you.